Viagra and Cialis belong to the same class of medications called phosphodiesterase inhibitors. These drugs work by blocking the PDE5 enzyme. Both are oral medications used to treat erectile dysfunction, but there are some basic differences that you should know before taking them. In this video, we are going to compare these two medications side by side and we'll see which one is suitable for you. The generic name of Viagra is Sildenafil and the generic name of Cialis is Tadalafil. They boost a chemical in your body called nitric oxide which encourages the muscles in your penis to relax. Now, relaxed muscles allow blood to flow freely so you can get an erection when you're aroused. It also helps you maintain the erection long enough to have sex. Unlike Viagra, Cialis is also used to treat enlarged prostate and pulmonary hypertension. So Cialis has a broader spectrum of use than Viagra. Now let's talk about the dose and timing of the medicines. Viagra comes in a strength of 25, 50 and 100 mg, while Cialis is available in low strength of 2.5, 5, 10 and 20 mg. Now that means you can take smaller dose of Cialis every day according to your prescription, but this is not same for Viagra. Cialis is usually taken 30 minutes before sexual activity, while Viagra can be taken 30 to 60 minutes before the activity. Now, one of the most important things that you should know is that Cialis is not affected by your meal or food intake. That means you can take Cialis with or without food. On the contrary, a high-fat meal can delay the action of Viagra. So take your medications accordingly. Next important point is the duration of action. Viagra usually lasts for about 4 hours. However, Cialis lasts much longer and it's noteworthy for the amount of time it remains in your body. You may feel the effects of the drug up to 36 hours after you take it. Now let's see if there is any difference in side effects. The side effects of both medicines are almost the same as they both can cause nausea, headache, generalized muscle pain, back pain and flushing. However, side effects like indigestion and limb pain is specifically seen in Cialis and Viagra can cause vision change, rash and dizziness. Now the drug interactions with other medicines are almost the same. There is no significant difference. Now the final question is which one is better? According to systemic review and meta-analysis published on NIH, Tadalafil and Sildenafil have both shown to exhibit comparable efficacy, safety and satisfaction for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. But if you compare in terms of psychological outcome, Tadalafil appears to be better. The side effects are also less with Tadalafil and you don't have to worry about the food intake. Therefore, Tadalafil may be a better choice for erectile dysfunction treatment. However, it's not always a good idea to take medicines full of side effects and future complications. There are many other ways you can improve your erection and live a healthy life. We have already made a video on that topic as well. Click the I button on the upper right corner of your screen to watch that video. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.